Benefits of green tea and how to make it. Green tea is a type of tea that is made from the leaves of the Camellia sinensis plant. It is one of the most popular beverages in the world, and it has been consumed for centuries and has been shown to have many health benefits. Green tea is a staple in Chinese cuisine, which has been drunk there for over 3,000 years. With such an iconic reputation in its place of origin, it has quickly spread within China and throughout Asia to other places around the world. In fact, it is gaining popularity within the United States as more Americans are becoming educated on the many health development that green tea promotes. This plant naturally produces caffeine, which is why green tea has a small amount of caffeine in it. Positive effects: drinking green tea at the appropriate dose, approximately 2 cups a day, can provide a number of possible health benefits. The health benefits of green tea are attributed to the polyphenols that are present in its leaves. Polyphenols are antioxidants and help fight free radicals that can cause cell damage. Green tea also contains catechins, which have been shown to help lower cholesterol levels, as well as caffeine, which provides a boost of energy. Green tea is known for its many benefits, also including weight loss, bone health, and improved mental clarity. It also provides many antioxidants which can help protect against cancer, heart disease, and other chronic conditions. Green tea has a number of uses. It can be used as an ingredient in cooking or baking, as well as being served hot or cold on its own. There are many ways to make green tea depending on how strong you want it and what kind you have available to you. Negative effects: the harm lies in the production process, as the environment may be exposed to high level of pesticides and chemicals. Making sure that we drink just enough. If green tea is consumed as regularly as coffee, about 2 cups/day, it will have optimum benefits. However, due to low caffeine content per cup and some known potential unpleasant side effects, abdominal discomfort or acid reflux symptoms, more could not indicate more benefit. Over 4 cups per day may lead to loss in productivity due to drowsiness or sleepiness. A green tea recipe consists of steeping the leaves in hot water, instead of boiling water used in black tea. Hot water will make the ingredients chemically active, whereas cold water can detect more aromatics and flavors of the ingredients. It's pretty simple. We hope you know more about green tea now. Subscribe to our channel for more natural health tips.